How do you help your littlest learners fall in love with math before they even realize they're learning it? This is Math Crawler, the adorable, hands-on game where math turns into a growing, playful story. With a friendly, colorful caterpillar, students will help grow. Every turn feels exciting and meaningful. Each player gets a leaf, a caterpillar head, and colorful pieces to add to their caterpillar. Players either add or subtract pieces to their board while practicing important early math skills. With each turn, students build number recognition, counting, comparison, and so much more. It's math that truly feels alive. Some roles skip a turn, while other roles will let players steal pieces from other boards. Each role keeps the game engaging and exciting. The first player to complete a caterpillar with 10 pieces wins. Give your pre-K and first graders the confidence to build their way to math mastery. Shop Math Crawler today, exclusively at Didax.